Hello, my crafty ghouls and goblins. I hope you're having a spooktacular day. Welcome to day 5 of the 13 Days of Halloween craft series hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, Elizabeth Garza from Live, Craft, and Love, and yours truly, Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. For today's project, I created this Halloween Gable box tote. I did use a digital file from SVG Addict, and I will be sure to include a link to their website. This was quite easy to put together. If you'd like to see me do a tutorial, please leave a comment in the description box and I will do that. For this project, I used a paper collection by Simple Stories, and this is called Simple Vintage Halloween. I did cut out the title because I used it on my project, but I love this paper collection. I love the vintage elements, and it's just so much fun. This is quite sizable. It measures 6.5 wide by 8.5 inches tall. This large lattice bow, as well as the spider web, also came in the digital file. On the top here, I have this black tulle that has a gold glitter spider web on it. And then on either side of the bow, I did include these floral picks. This is the front of the Gable box, and I just love the way this turned out. I've included one of the signature sheets. The title here says Scary Sweet. I think it is so perfect for this little witch here. She looks adorable. And then I've included a little black cat because every witch needs a little black cat. This is the side of the Gable box. Again, you can see how wide it is. I have included a doily on the back, and then I've simply cut out one of the elements from the paper collection. I've lined that on black cardstock, and then I've cut out little strips of paper and then embellished it with this orange and white polka dot button. This is the back. I did keep the back very simple. On the top here it says Happy Halloween, and then here is another signature from the paper collection. I really did not want to cover this up. I love all of vintage images, and I think this in itself is its own story. Let me show you the inside of the box. This may be a bit difficult to see since it's black, but I can easily open up this top part. There's a lot of room in here. And then these handles go back together. Now, to make this box, they recommend that you use 12 by 12 paper. I typically like to use a heavier paperweight when I make my boxes, but I only had 65-pound cardstock. So what I did was I doubled up each of the pieces here. And as you can see, this box is very, very sturdy. This concludes my review of my Halloween Gable box. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you can receive all of my future videos. Also, please be sure to check out the ladies in the Halloween series, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking and Elizabeth Garza, and I look forward to seeing you back tomorrow for day 6 of the 13 days of Halloween. Thank you so much. Happy haunting and happy crafting. Bye for now.